sa mga masisiba dyan, mabuhay tayong lahat. Yellow Cab Unli Pizza is back. Tatlong sunod na taon na nilang ginagawa ito on August 15. Meron lang slight changes. Imbis na August 15 whole day, magkakaroon ng dalawang araw. August 15, 10 to 4, and then August 16, 10 to 4 ulit. So, understandable naman para sa peak hours, dinner time, hindi maging sobrang siksikan ng Yellow Cab. Virtually all branches ito, save for a few exceptions. Pasadahan natin yung mga packages, 349 pesos unli pizza. Kung malakas kayong kumain ng pizza, nakakain kayo ng equivalent ng one whole pizza in the span of 2 hours. Sulit na to, 349. Bagong category, 399 only wings and rice. Ayaw nyo ng pizza, gusto nyo wings lang. And to be fair, masarap ang wings ni Yellow Cab, yung hot chicks, yung parmesan, kasama yan, 399. And syempre, yung all-in package nila, 599, only pizza and only wings. Kung mapapansin nyo, walang Charlie Chan pasta dyan. For this year, that is reserved for Yellow Pass VIP holders. Which for me personally, okay na rin para hindi masyadong mabusog agad. Pero kung may Yellow Pass kayo, 299 pesos, that will entitle you to the ultimate 599 peso package that includes pizza, pasta, and wings. And kung mapapansin nyo, wala nang only drinks ngayon. Wala nang only iced tea, wala nang bottomless Mountain Dew. Okay na rin yan. Sobrang sama na ng ekonomiya natin. Kaya pagbigyan nyo na. So, that's it. Only pizza and more ni Yellow Cab.